Flowsheet of 30 TPH silica sand processing plant. This setup is for the silica sand process. The size range of the raw silica sand is 0 to 5 mm, and the raw ore is without big particles and branches and leaves, etc. The final product size required is 0.1 to 1.2 mm. Main machines include raw material feeding hopper, trommel screen, attrition scrubber, spiral classifier, classification tower, spiral chute, high gradient magnetic separator, spiral classifier, dewatering screen, 3 layers drying machine, swing vibration screen, bagging machine, ball mill, dry round screen. 1. Feeding and wash system. Hopper plus belt conveyor feeder for feeding 0 to 5 mm materials to the trommel screen for washing and sieving 0 to 2 mm to the attrition scrubber, and spiral classifier for washing again, more than 2 mm will to the waste pile. 2. Classification to system. Classification tower. Thickening cone plus hydraulic classification drum plus trommel screen. For sieving 0 to 0.1 mm and 1.2 to 2 mm to the waste pile, 0.1 to 1.2 mm materials will pump to the separator machines. 3. Gravity separator system. The 0.1 to 1.2 mm materials from the classification tower will pump to the spiral chute for removing the heavy minerals, such as iron, chrome, titanium, etc. 4. Magnetic separator system. The silica concentrate from the gravity separator system will feed to the magnetic separator for refining again, to make sure the iron percentage is as minimum as possible. 5. Dewatering system. The spiral classifier and dewatering screen for dewatering the silica concentrate. 6. Drying system. The silica concentrate will feed to the 3 layers drying machine for getting dry silica sand. 7. Product size sieving and packing. Swing vibration screen and bagging machine for sieving and packing 0.1 to 0.3 mm, 0.3 to 0.8 mm, 0.8 to 1.2 mm dry silica sand. 8. Ball mill system. For crushing the 0.1 to 0.3 mm, 0.3 to 0.8 mm, 0.8 to 1.2 mm dry silica sand to a more fine size. 9. Product size sieving and packing. Dry round screen and bagging machine for sieving and packing 0 to 0.04 mm, 0.04 to 0.06 mm, 0.06 to 0.08 mm, and more than 0.08 mm dry silica sand.